Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Harshali this side from Synix Group, and today we have Ms. Pratibha Arvind Sarathy. She is the head IT enabled services from General Insurance Council. Welcome, ma'am.
Hi.
And today I'll be taking a short and quick interview of yours. So, the first question I would like to ask you, being an industry expert, ma'am, how do you see the insurance industry in next 5 years?
I think we are slated at a very interesting point as far as the insurance industry is concerned. There is a lot of push from the regulation, from the government for things to move, and we are poised at that point where things can change. So, with all the digital transformation that we are talking about, the kind of new products which are coming in, the kind of India stacks where we are having a lot of data which is flowing in, and the way the world is changing and India is growing, I think this is the time to be really in the space, because insurance is something that for so many years we don't think of it as a necessary product. Today, with all the parametric kind of insurances where you can say I only use as much as I need, I'm able to customize my products, I think that's where we are heading towards. And I think we should be looking at the insurance industry becoming a pull product from the the so far called young generation which is growing up. So yeah.
Yes, ma'am, well said. And the next question would be, would you like to share your thoughts on the current opportunities and challenges in Indian markets?
The biggest opportunity we have as a country is the population. Okay, so we have so many people, we have so many things, and we have a constantly rising. We're getting richer. So the kind of travel has increased, the kind of acquisitions has increased. People are moving in and doing a lot of things. So from an insurance perspective, the kind of things you can insure, the kind of things that you can cover and keep risk free is just increasing. That's the biggest opportunity we have. But the challenges that we have is similar, because when we have the kind of population that we do, it's very difficult to go down to every level. It's also very difficult because we are such a large country. We have pockets in the hinterland. We have what is called the Bharat, where people don't quite understand what they are doing. We are a saving economy. We cannot tell people don't save the money, come and give it to insurance, because they will goes you. We are also the kind of very God-fearing people where we say, God will take care of us, we don't need insurance. So just changing that kind of a mindset is a big challenge. It's also a challenge with the insurance companies themselves, where they have to change their processes, their ways of working, and looking at a new kind of population who wants everything and everything done with the best service and this thing. Those are the kind of challenges that we have in the market.
Okay. Well said, ma'am. That is definitely very much insightful. And the last question, definitely. So, what would you like to say on your experience with Sinex?
So Synix has been doing a very good job of having these insurance summits, the fraud summits, bringing different kinds of people together, bringing in the perspectives is something I think you do pretty well. I remember coming on to some of your platforms even during the COVID times, and we were very impressed with the way, it did give you the feel of being in a hotel and being in your rooms. It's been something that's very heartfelt. So the whole team at Synix sort of gets together to do whatever they want to do, and that's the best thing. So we wish you all the luck there, and we do hope you continue to bring in you bring in the insights to us, and we also gain along with it. So thank you so much.
Sure, ma'am, sure. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, and definitely would be looking forward for you to be with us for our future summits as well.
Sure.
So
Thank
here
you.
I conclude with my interview. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining in, and yeah, thank you so much.